Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we will learn about something very important, top 5 critically endangered species in Asia. So let's begin and know about these species. Students, do you know Asia takes up to 30% of the world's land area? Its region extends from far north Russia all the way down south across the equator to Indonesia and extends to the west till it reaches Saudi Arabia. Asia has 48 countries and multiple climate zones. Due to its vastness, this continent is filled with a variety of animal species. However, humans are rapidly expanding their territories into forests. There is an increasing demand for food and climate change is happening too. Due to all of this, Asia might be the continent where actions by humans may be causing the extinction of many species. Until today, many Asian countries have remained developing countries, such as Indonesia and Thailand. Due to their developing nature, in order to boost economic growth, they will continue relying on their economic models. Therefore, it is important to learn about the species that are critically endangered. Let's see them one by one. The first one is Sumatran orangutan. It is found in Sumatra, Indonesia. The Sumatran orangutan is primarily threatened by habitat loss due to deforestation for palm oil plantations, illegal logging, and human encroachment. Additionally, hunting and illegal pet trade pose significant threats. Conservation efforts are ongoing for it, including habitat protection, anti-poaching measures and rehabilitation programs. Organizations are working on creating protected areas and restoring degraded habitats. The second one is Javen Rhino. It is a critically endangered species from Java in Indonesia. Its habitat is in Ujung Kulon National Park, Java, Indonesia. With fewer than 80 individuals remaining, the Javen rhino is one of the rarest large mammals. Its primary threats include habitat loss, natural disasters such as tsunamis, disease, and inbreeding due to the small population size. The Javen rhino conservation program focuses on habitat protection, anti-poaching patrols, and monitoring the population. The third one is Seola. Its habitat is in the Annamite Mountains, Vietnam and Laos. Known as the Asian unicorn, the Seola is one of the world's rarest mammals. It faces threats from habitat loss and fragmentation, poaching and snaring. Due to its elusive nature and dense habitat, accurate population estimates are challenging. Efforts to save it include habitat protection, anti-poaching measures, and research to better understand the species. Conservationists are also working with local communities to reduce hunting and snaring. The fourth one is the Yangtze giant soft-shell turtle. It is found in the Yangtze River and associated wetlands of China and Vietnam. With only a handful of known individuals, the Yangtze giant soft-shell turtle faces extinction due to habitat loss, pollution and hunting. The species has suffered from the degradation of wetland habitats and the construction of dams. Conservationists are actively searching for remaining individuals, working on breeding programs and protecting and restoring critical habitats. And the last species for today, the fifth one, is the great Indian bustard. It is found in the arid and semi-arid grasslands of Rajasthan, Gujarat and Maharashtra. It is facing habitat loss due to agriculture, infrastructure development and industrialization. Collisions with power lines and poaching also pose significant threats. The Wildlife Institute of India, WII, and the Forest Department of Rajasthan have initiated a captive breeding program at Jaisalmer in Rajasthan and aimed at raising the population of bustards in captivity. The Great Indian Bustard is listed under Schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972, providing it with the highest level of legal protection. So that was all for this video. We hope you learned a lot of new things. Let's practice some questions now. 1. What is the habitat of Seola? 2. Who designates the critically endangered species status? 3. What are the threats to the Great Indian Bustard? 4. What is the IUCN status of snow leopard?